sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Boss up, boss up, boss up, baby. And we back with another one, another video to help you get these driving gigs, find contracts, find these new gig apps, passive income, active income, anything to help you level up out the 9 to 5 rat race. We about that. And we're not about long intros. We get right into the content. But don't forget to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. We got to get these likes up. We got to get these subscribes up because it helps these videos get out to everybody, help everybody in America get back to work and abroad. I got videos and content to help you make money worldwide. So let's get into it. So join our team as a final mile contractor. Yes, AITworldwide.com. A link to this website will be in the description below. You know I got you. I'm constantly giving you guys contents around these contracting and these final mile companies. I want you to lock down the contract. These gig apps are cool. These gig apps fill in the blank. But let's be honest, as you're seeing, you're not consistent. You're not be able to make a consistent living, consistent amount every single day with these gig apps. But with these contracts, you will. And then after you complete your contract or on the weekend, whenever you got some free time, then you can do the gig apps and make even more money and get out that 9 to 5 rat race. So let's talk about AIT Worldwide and how you can make over $2,000 a week with this. Given now, this company takes all types of vehicles, but you mainly will need a van, pickup truck, or a 24 by 26 box truck. That's it. Sedans accepted for some work as well. So your own tools, available helper for delivery and assembly. Now, with this company, not all the deliveries require assembly, but some do. So you will have to have some type of, technical ability, pretty much putting together basketball goals, may have to put together a pool table. Instructions come with it. If you buy stuff from IKEA, men, women, it's not hard to pick up a wrench and screwdriver and screw some things in. You bring a helper for heavy stuff. You can get everything done in a good amount of time. So, of course, they got the email address. Of course, we're going to email them as well as go on here and figure out where we can get hired. But let's go home. I want to show you exactly how to get to this page because it took me a while to actually figure out how to apply for this company and how to actually find, what the leads are. I actually did cover this video almost a year ago, but I got a lot of new subscribers. So I'm bringing it to you fresh and see if they have any updated content. And believe it or not, the old website used to be like Select Express, but they either got bought out by AIT or they are now just going by a different name. Either way, we're going to get into it and talk about how we can get started with this company. So let's go here. So AIT, you're at the home screen, AIT Worldwide. Link to this website be down in the description. You go to services, then go down to ground transportation. Once you go to ground transportation, you can see, what all they do, what all type of stuff they carry, truck, dry vans, flatbeds, all that stuff. And you go here to final mile delivery. Once you go here, go to final mile. This little thing is in the way, so I can't see it right now. But you go here, hit that little drop down box arrow there. You'll see final mile contractors. That's what you are. You're going to be a final mile contractor. So services, ground distribution, final mile delivery, then final mile contractors. Hope that's easy for you. Requirements, tax ID number. So they do want you to be a business. Boss up, boss up. Go ahead and form your LLC. I do LLC formation services for a fee. So if you're interested in that, it's very simple. It's not hard to form your own LLC, but I will help you with that if you can't do it for a fee. So contact me on my channel. Contact information down in the description area if you're interested in that. So let's look at some of the dedicated routes they got going on. Look at all the cities: Allentown, Phoenix, Washington, Levittown, Yuma. I don't even know where half of these cities are. Let's look at the states: PA, Utah, Arizona, California, Colorado, Kansas. What's the state people say no one? I guess some Alabama. There's no Alabama stuff on there. One in Georgia. South Dakota. I got South Dakota on there. Montana. Every state but Alabama. Got North Carolina. Got New Hampshire. They do not have Rhode Island. That's how they call. There you go, Rhode Island. That's how to call. Consulting call with a good guy from Rhode Island. Well, not from Rhode Island, but in Rhode Island, and he is trying to find stuff in this area. A lot of these small cities do not have all the work you may need, so you may have to go to the next big one, but he's close to Providence, Rhode Island. And let's see what they got here. So Providence, Rhode Island, contracted for assembly outdoor structures, potential to earn 40K to 100K. That's a wide range, depending on volume. Yeah, I bet it do depend on volume. Like I said, Rhode Island, not sure how much volume it is for outside play sets, gazebos, resin sheds, in-ground basketball hoops. So you're pretty much a home delivery service. Like I said, I was able to fit a basketball hoop for my son in the back of my SUV. So that's something you can definitely transport in the van. Resin shed, gazebos, and all that good stuff. You want to come say hello? And my daughter, she's getting ready for school. Say hello.
Hello.
All right. So, and let's get into the application. 1099 position. Hourly rates do not apply. So you'll be getting a flat fee for either each job or a weekly flat fee, or how many jobs they got set up for you in that week. Not exactly sure how the pay structure goes. Settlements are processed weekly, so you do get paid weekly, but I'm pretty sure it's by the job. That's how most of these last mile companies work, unless they have work for you scheduled every single day. They probably do it by the job. So every job they may pay you $45-$50, or maybe more, depending on how many miles and how much it is. And you can get up to $300-$400 a day. So on this application, let's see what they ask for. Enter in the application, first name, last name, mobile number. Continue. I already have an account, so you definitely want to go ahead and create an account with them to get rolling. But that's that job. Let's look at some more jobs and see what type of vehicles they do require. But we're looking like they are a lot of places. We've seen pretty much every state in the country. What type of contractor you are. They say right here they need a box truck for these. Television delivery. So you can probably do that in the car. Little Rock, Des Moines, Tacoma, Washington. Treadmill, bike repair, contractor, assembly, outdoor structures. That looks like bulk of the jobs. Assembling those outdoor structures. Yeah, that's what all I'm seeing up and down this website, guys. So they got some delivery assembly. So go on here, check it out, play around with it. This is just another great resource, another great company that is nationwide, that can provide you with opportunities. If you are an expediter, you're traveling over the road, you can contact with this company and, say, hey, I'm going to be in this state, tomorrow. I'd like to go ahead and apply, for these jobs. You get in with one city, you get in with some of the shipping coordinators, some of the managers. If you're going over the road, whatever city you go to, they have little routes like these. If you're sitting there, you can do some local deliveries in those areas until you get out that city. So That's how you keep the wheels turning. That's how you get money. Or if you just want to stay local and don't have to worry about DOT and MC numbers for your van and vehicle, or even your box truck. You definitely want to do a DOT number with your box truck. But a lot of these little jobs, local jobs like that, you make it a part-time job, part-time hustle, rent you a vehicle, and start making some money, guys. All right. Make this video longer than it has to be. Boss up, baby. I appreciate you sticking around to the end of this video. I'm going to give you some free game, free sauce by joining my free Facebook group. If you do not have a Facebook account and you're serious about entrepreneurship and building your business, at least your business should have a Facebook page. So go ahead and create a business Facebook page. If not, you can use your personal one. Go down to the link in the description. Join my free Facebook group. We're talking about gig apps, driving jobs. I got some business credit info in there. Also have a business credit and grant Facebook group where I talk specifically about building credit for your business and getting grant funding to jumpstart your business, purchase vehicles in your business name, box trucks, vans, and all that good stuff. I'll talk about it on that channel. And like I said, if you need further consultation, you need further help outside of these videos, then go ahead and book a consultation at creditkay.com. That website is down in the description below as well, man. And hit the like and drop a comment down below to say, hey, where you from? And if you do not see your city in this video, do not see your city on this website, drop your city down below, comment down below, and I'll help you out. All right. Until next time, boss up, baby.